Will we stay true? From the cradle to the grave.
From the cradle to the grave. Life ain't never been easy.
We're gonna take it through our future, past, and present.
From the cradle to the grave. Life ain't
June 16, 1971. Mama gave birth to a hell-raising heavenly son. See, the doctor tried to smack me, but I smacked him back. My first words was thug for life, and Papa passed the mat. I'm busting on these other suckers ballin'. Listen, you can hear my mini 14 calling. I'm out the window of my drop top, making my block hot, busting at suckers. When will it stop? Now tell me, are you scared of the dark? Can't close my eyes, I see visions. And even with this thug living, will I escape prison? Penitentiary chances wasn't all day thing. The only way to advance, if you slang, then you better have your nights on. Cause when we fight, it's in the middle of the night with no lights on. Hey, there must be a God, cause I feel lucky, paranoid out my mind. Cause all these suckers trying to rush me, am I going to jail? Look at me bailing, coming out the courthouse, all about my mail, man. Hey, never die, be a hustler till you busted. Making thugs out you suckers from the cradle to the grave.
From the cradle to the grave, life ain't never been easy. Living in the ghetto.
From the cradle to the grave, since a little bitty child, I've been known to get ill and kinda buck wild. Pop, just like the bottles in my walk with street talk. I'm running up the block in the dark when let's walk. Surveillance on the player every day, waiting on my daddy to take him on the way. And mama always working, trying to make ends meet. So now a young player's being raised by the streets. And then the only other man that ever showed me love was my dope green uncle, strung out on drugs and straight thugs. Me, my mama out on her own, so I got two gas, one black and one of chrome. Now I don't wanna hurt nobody, I must offend mine. I'm going out of my mind, from the cradle to the grave.
From the cradle to the grave, life ain't never been easy. Living in the ghetto.
From the cradle to the grave, I'm glad to say I made it this far. Many G's not hogs, and all they got was their name hit up on the wall. It's sad thinking about the times life goes on. I'm steady lost in this land, that's the war zone. I got no home, don't have no friends neither. It's just me by my lonely, so I marry my Nina. I keep wherever I go, going for broke. I never leave my without my sugar. I'm after peculiar. Mama told me not to trust no punks and toss him up if he laid a hand on me. Since then it's been on. Since the cradle, I've been a cradle. My first toy was a gun. I got sprung and learned to love weapons. But now I'm through with money and through with street fame. Somebody peel my cap and put me in my grave.
From the cradle to the grave, life ain't never been easy. Living in the ghetto.
March 18th, that rainy day, my mama gave birth to a baby boy trapped in hell on earth. From day one, it wasn't fun, I never had a crumb. Daddy worked 2 jobs and mama won't stop drinking rum. I tried to cope low, but my family's broke. And my pocket's so now I got the slang. Yeah, yo, in this dirty game, all I feel is pain. And since I lost my mama, I think I'm going insane. I'm steady stressing, staying praying for a blessing. Looking for a come up without the Smith and Wesson. It's messed up, my brother gotta grow up through a dirt. But from the cradle to the grave, I'ma put in work.
Time's moving fast, will I last another day? So I prayed. Did I sell my soul as a young kid? All the things I did, wishing someone helped me, but they never did. I can't take it, will I make it to my older age? Before I'm shot up or locked up in a damn cage. Lord help me, guide me, save me. Cause that's the way that daddy raised me, crazy. Forever trying, I was born dying. Inglewood is a city where I'm walk by. The beginning is the ending, am I just a slave? So I got to be brave, from the cradle to the grave.
From the cradle to the grave.